Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
What's the easiest way to increase productivity, improve driver safety, and save money? GPS tracking. With more than 10 years of experience, 100,000 devices in the field, 1.5 billion miles tracked, 25 million speeding and braking events logged, and $85 million in wasted fuel identified, our GPS tracking solution is your simple, effective, and affordable way to manage your business and get control of your costs. We offer OBD devices that are as easy to install as plugging in a lamp. Or for a more discreet option, you can choose our simple-to-install wired device. Fueled by Google Maps, our interactive map shows you street-level views of each vehicle you manage. Set geofences to manage job site and customer locations, and ensure vehicles are where they need to be. Use Route Replay to improve customer service and efficiency. Detailed reports identify idling to reduce fuel costs. Driver report cards provide accurate performance data to improve driver safety and reduce liability. With real-time alerts, you'll be notified if your vehicles are outside designated areas or move after hours. And maintenance tracking helps you manage and reduce maintenance costs. You can keep an eye on your fleet anytime, anywhere with free mobile apps for Apple and Android devices, and instantly follow up on safety and location alerts. Our free, top-rated customer service team is here to walk you and your drivers through every step. We even have online help available so your team can learn at their own pace.
Backing up shouldn't have to be a pain. Meet the Zeus Wireless Smart Backup Camera. With no wiring or drilling needed, it easily installs on your license plate in just 10 minutes. Pair with the Zeus app to instantly view everything behind you right on your smartphone and in either direction. Spot an oncoming car much earlier than what you would normally see from just your rearview mirror or other cameras. Other backup cameras give you a 140-degree view, while Zeus Backup Camera gives you a 170-degree wide-angle view. Detect pedestrians early to ensure everyone's safety. Backing up has never been easier or safer with Zeus.
Introducing the all-new AirVent magnetic car mount from Spigen. It's designed with strong magnets so that you can easily mount and rotate with any large smartphone device. Simple and convenient. Spigen, moving forward.
A lot of problems. 45 interloop at Arrowwood Road all the way past West Boulevard. Let's take a look at 45 interloop near Arrowwood Road over to the Sporting Goods.
Dad, look!
Introducing the magic of Motor Mood, a new way to make the road a happier place. Now you can say thanks to other drivers even when it's dark.
Hello Kickstarter. We are Motor Mood. We are creating light-up emoticon faces for your car that allow you to say thanks to other drivers on the road. It's a simple and powerful way to make driving a little more human and a lot more fun.
Here's how it works. The face attaches to the inside of your car's rear window using a reusable, non-marking adhesive. Sliding clips allow the face to be removed easily when a change of batteries is needed. A small, easy-to-use remote slides onto your sun visor just like a garage door opener. And with a single push of the button, a corresponding face lights up. Colors include blue, pink, and green. Switching colors is fast and easy.
There are many things that you can use Motor Mood to say. Thanks for letting me into your lane. Thanks for turning off your brights. And thank you for letting me know that the light turned green.
It's hard to describe just how good it feels to use this product. There's something addictive about spreading smiles on the road. You'll notice your day get a little bit better each time you press the button.
For more than a year now, we've been working hard developing the best product possible. We've gone through multiple prototypes and technologies, and we're excited to finally show our product to the public.
The technology for Motor Mood is patent pending. Our remote controls uses an infrared transmitter to instantly illuminate the face. Our faces are backlit by an LED light guide and 2 high-quality LEDs. The prototypes you see have been 3D printed using lasers in a process called stereolithography. The products you receive will be made using plastic injection molding.
We need your help to reach the minimum threshold for manufacturing and to bring down component costs. Back us now and receive your very own Motor Mood. You can be the first person in your community to start spreading smiles. And remember, Motor Mood only becomes a reality if we get our entire goal funded. So make sure to back us now and share with your friends and family.
What we're offering today is just the first step. Our goal is to make driving more social, safe, and fun through a universal car-to-car messaging and identity platform.
Motor Mood makes driving more social and creates magic moments for drivers and their passengers. Help us bring this to the world, and together we can make the road a happier place.
What do you value the most in wild conditions of life? Protection. Introducing Landmoto, the world's first automatic car tent that will protect your car and transform into a camping tent in a matter of seconds. Convenient and easy with wireless remote control, Landmoto is the best partner for outdoor activities. Headaches setting up a beach umbrella, taking the chill out of your chill time? Struggles with assembling and fighting with the wind are not the best fun time companions. Landmoto can offer you another way. Even a bear can bear, so forget your beach umbrella nightmare. Okay, let's get serious. It takes just 30 seconds to install Landmoto. Rechargeable battery that once charged will dependably work up to 45 days, or more than 500 times, automatically setting up. Supported by ropes from both sides of the car, Landmoto creates a solid protective shield. The anti-theft unbreakable cables keep it safe. Landmoto temperature control feature will also keep your car cool in hot weather. It's capable of dependably sustaining a temperature inside the car of up to 35 degrees lower than under the hot sun. Landmoto fits on any car, SUV, sedan, mini, Jeep, and even four-wheel beach vehicle. The soft surface of Landmoto is created to protect your car from scratches. Our innovative design also prevents unwanted damage from bird droppings, construction dust, and rain. Smart structure makes Lenmodo portable. 4 adjustable ropes will protect your car from the wind up to 13 meters per second. Lenmodo transforms into a camping tent. Plug a supporting pole into the ground and install just like you install it on the car, and attach tent walls using zippers on the sides. Lenmodo camping tent is spacious, comfortable, and big enough for up to 7 people. Lenmodo also comes with USB port that may charge your devices or used as a power source outdoors. It's a great addition for media enjoyment or keeping your digital toys charged. Lenmodo can be customized and look exclusively the way you want. Any color, any print, no limitations. Literally, no limitations. We always celebrate your individuality. What we truly care about is your comfort. And at the end of the day, Lenmodo will always have your back or front. You choose.
Hey Josh, it's Liz from college.
Hey, yeah.
What are you doing here?
Trying to get a taxi, but my phone's dead.
Well, hop in.
Oh, thanks. Thanks. Do you know the way to South Bay?
Alexa, get directions to South Bay.
Okay, getting directions to South Bay.
What is that? I thought it was just a charger.
It is a car charger that can do a ton of other things. Alexa, play some music.
Here is the station you might like, Rockstar from Amazon Music.
That's awesome. What else can it do?
Alexa, what else can you do?
You can tell me to turn up the volume, play music, create a to-do list, or look up a topic on Wikipedia.
Alexa, where's the nearest gas station?
The fastest route to gas right service at 980 Main Street takes about 5 minutes via Central Parkway and Garden Drive.
I don't think I have your phone number anymore.
Alexa, call Josh.
Calling Josh Mobile.
Thanks for the ride. Maybe I can repay you with a cup of coffee sometime.
Sure.
Alexa, set a reminder for coffee with Josh at 10 a.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 10 a.m.